We just heard that Nafta negotiations are going to start August 17th. What are you going to be looking for in those renegotiations?
Well, I talked about that today in the testimony. This is an opportunity for us to modernize an agreement that was conducted 23 years ago. And so with regard to the labor standards, with regard to e-commerce, recall there was no e-commerce chapter at all. I specifically talked about the need for us to change the thresholds because in Canada and in Mexico, we're not permitted to allow our e-commerce companies to sell more than a very small de minimis amount. In fact, in Canada, it's the lowest in the world, I'm told, $20 Canadian. We're $800 here. It's an example. There's not a level playing field there. And then, of course, currency. Although I'm not suggesting either country is a currency manipulator now, I think it's an opportunity for us to put in place something consistent with the law that was passed a couple of years ago on making currency manipulation a major trade negotiating objective.
And I know you're busy. Just a quick question. We saw the reports of your conference call yesterday with reporters on healthcare. Are you frustrated about the process of how quickly this is moving? Obviously, there's going to be a proposal of sorts released tonight or tomorrow morning.
Well, I'm hopeful that we'll take our time and get it right, and we're going to insist, some of us, on a Congressional Budget Office report. I believe it's required, and that would have the coverage numbers, the dollar numbers, so we know what the impact is of this particular proposal. I haven't seen the proposal yet, so I don't know.